Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another makeup hack wala video. So recently I filmed a reel that was pretty much I uploaded for the Diwali transition look. So this one was shot few days back and I was really intrigued to show you how the PTS looks like and how I just done my whole makeup, because personally speaking I love this makeup. Look how it turned out. And also recently I learned some beautiful hacks for which my makeup is staying for a very decent time. This is something I learned over the period of time. मैं किसी से सीखी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन the things that works best for me when I do makeup like this. So first I applied primer. This is a very much silicone based primer and one of my favorite primer right there. It's from Inside. Next, I am using the foundation, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. Is it matte? Okay, but in the range. Foundation, you will be getting all the product description in the description box below right there. But yeah, so what I learned is that, and what I do is when I take a small amount may use करती हूँ, so I take a small pump of the foundation at the back of my hand and then I activate it. So how I do that is by rubbing the product very gently on the back of your pump or anywhere on the plate also. You can do that for the same, but you have to activate the products. That's what where the main trick thing, या फिर hack you can say lies. So first I apply on all the pigmentation where I think that I need to put on. Specifically, I put a dot over there and then I go ahead and with my fingers I dab and do a second coating of that. Do not drag the product, just do a dab and little bit of the way with the warmth of your fingers, just blend it. Use the excess product for the neck and here you go, you will be getting a flawless base. Honestly telling you guys कि बहुत ज़्यादा foundation use करने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Even if you have a decent canvas to work on, but अगर तुमको बहुत कुछ hide करना है, go for a foundation which is like very much high coverage wala. Otherwise you can go for this kind of very minimal makeup. Similarly, while using the concealer, so I'm basically here using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade called 25 medium. This is what it called. And at same like the foundation, I did activate at the back of my hand and then I applied it just under my eyes, like the portion I need. And you can definitely see the difference how it covered my dark circles. Though I do not have a very dark circles or pigmentation as such, but it really, you can see the difference. Also, I have applied evenly on my layers. So my whole motto is to say you that with the warmth of your fingers, your concealer foundation blends so well and it will be looking so seamless. That is something that brush or the beauty blender cannot do. That is what I learned over the period of time and it works best for me. क्योंकि as long as you activate it and with the warmth of your fingers, your makeup base looks so flawless and I totally love it. Now moving to the next step is that we have the eyebrows. So I do this eyebrow thing with the Mars Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, which got this sharp end at one side and other side it got the spoolie. So in all, we get both the things together in a single product, so that works best for me and I've been using this for 2 years now. No complaint, I just love it. And also you need the product in so small level that eventually वो end भी नहीं होता and last you for a very long time. Personally speaking, I do not have a thick eyebrows or so. मतलब मेरे eyebrows में बाल ही इतने कम है, so I need to do a proper definition. So start it just going through the border line. तो आप पहले आप border line कर लो, उसके बाद fill it inside. Moving to the eye now. So I have two palettes right here and one is Huda, one is Naika. Okay. Here I got scared. हुडा ब्यूटी का ये जो पैलेट है, दिस पैलेट इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट पैलेट. इसका जितना भी ड्यूप आ जाए, लेकिन द इमोशन फैक्टर्स दैट वर्क्स विद हुडा इज समथिंग एल्स, एंड आई नो दोज हु हैव यूज्ड इट all can connect with me that they does a very nice eye products. उनका जितना भी eye product range है, especially our eye shadows are really great, and also their lip products तो मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. So now moving to concentrating here right now, it's that I'm using the Nykaa one to get me a very shuttle color, which is like a pink and brown pinkish kind of shade base color में use कर रही हूँ from my Nykaa palette. नायका का ये जो 4-in-1 पैलेट है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी वेरी गुड पैलेट, हाईली पिगमेंटेड, ठीक है, और इट वर्क्स वेरी डिसेंट. द कलर शेड्स एंड एवरीथिंग इट प्रोवाइड्स इज जस्ट परफेक्ट टू गेट यू अ ग्लैम लुक एज वेल एज एवरीडे मेकअप लुक. ओके, तुम इस पैलेट्स को लेके बहुत सारे मेकअप क्रिएट कर सकते हो. इतना अतरंगी कलर्स भी नहीं है, एकदम टू दी पॉइंट एंड एप्ट है. So I will be putting the link also in the description box below so that you can check it out. So what I did here is that I used the same color for my both the upper lids as well as the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the blush, the PAC Exara blush in the shade called Fudge Me Not. Now I will be doing first blush, then we will go back again to the eyeshadow. I'm doing this because to match my blush with the base of the eye. Now this is very important. You need to get a very much monochromatic look. What you can do is that while you can match your base eyeshadow with the blush, or you can do is that you can match your blush with the lip shade you are wearing. For today's look, I will be going with the eyeshadow and the blush matching wala thing to get me a very monochromatic look right there. Now this blush is so pigmented. It gives me this very nice coral color. Okay, now throughout the video, I have zoned out for quite a lot. Okay, मैं इतने बार zoned out हो चुकी हूँ कि at certain point of time, I completely forgot that I was filming a video. So never mind it, but concentrating here, I can tell you that this Fudge Me Not shade is like very orangish coral color. So I am using another blush which is moreover brownish shade of color. This is particular one is from Love Earth. I'll be giving all the products in the description box below. You can check out there. This is also another beautiful blush for the brown skin girl right there. Then you will love it. I tell you, this is the perfect blend of brown as well as the tint of the glowy pinky shade that you get. So this is a very beautiful color. So I am blending two blushes here to get me a proper monochromatic look. Now moving to the next step, I will be doing the contour thing. Now this one is the 3-in-1 palette from Sugar, which contains the blush, highlighter and the contour. From here I will be taking only the contour shade. Now this contour is not that highly pigmented, I mean to say not that dark brown, but does a very nice job and it's very doable. So I am using this powder blush right here, as मैंने बहुत सारा blush भी apply कर रखी है, so this one will really catch it nicely. And if you tell me that I have to make this kind of face, is it mandatory? Then yes, it is, because then only you will be knowing the perfect placement where to place the the contour right there. So yeah, so on the your jaw lines and just beneath the blush placement, you need to place your contour also along with your hairline from the forehead, so that you get a proper snatched look, also the one you want to really create. This provides the darkness and gives a effect so that your face look really bronzed. At the same time, it highlights the other parts where it need to be highlighted. So I'm going all through it, getting along my hairlines and everything. I just love this step. So you have to be very calm and you have to be very slow while doing this process, and take your time and do this process very nicely. Now, if you think ऐसे brush transition करके मैं ऐसे बन जाऊंगी, तो you are wrong. But never mind, you are not completely wrong. We are not yet finished. Now it's a high time for the eyeliner right there. So this eyeliner is from Mars again. I will be doing a very beautiful wing eyeliner right there. Now this one you have to check out. This is one of the best on camera eyeliner I have put. So you need to check out how I did that. And definitely, if you follow this process, this is one of the easiest way you can achieve a good winged eyeliner right there. First, you have to, with the help of the tip, get a stroke which will give you a effect. Then upper lid ko join kar do wo line se, and this is how you do. Then you have to just fill up inside. जस्ट दैट सिंपल. ओके, आई नो कभी कभी नहीं होता है, ये सिंपल स्टेप भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है. बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, अगर आप विंग बना रहे हो, टू लाइंस को ट्रायंगुलरली उसको कनेक्ट करो, देन फिल इट इनसाइड, देन गो फॉर द इनर कॉर्नर्स. मतलब आप आपके आई के मिड पोर्शन से ये स्टार्ट करो, देन ओनली यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस नाइस winged eyeliner right there. I'm super impressed. Now let me do the other side, and this is the final look, you guys. मतलब eyeliner के. Now completing the eyeshadow thing right there, I'll be putting some glitters. I have taken the same thing from the Huda palette right there. A little bit of pink and all the silver color we have again zoned out. Quite natural, but yeah, a little bit of pink and silver right there. What you have in the palette, go for it. And this is so creamy. Their glitters are so creamy. I just love it, and just go for it. And your eye look is very good to go. This eye look was that simple, and yeah, in general also I wanted to get me a very simple basic one. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग. एक्चुअली मेरे को ना इधर डार्कर कलर तो लेना था, लेकिन व्हाट आई डिड इज मैंने शिमर कलर ले लिया फॉर माय लोअर लैश लाइन. बट द बेटर इज दैट of course go for a darker color, then put the shimmer on the inner side. But me being me, मैं भूल जाती हूँ. Till now not detected ADHD brain, but if in future डिटेक्ट हो जाता है, देन मुझे कोई भी शॉकिंग नहीं होगा चीज़, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं बहुत भूल जाती हूँ चीज़ें. बट या just get concentrated on your lower lash line and also a little bit below the wings, the eyelining wings you have, so that will get you a complete look. But कुछ भी करो, जो भी तुम्हारे मर्जी करो, दोनों आई लुक को सेम रखना. ऐसा ना हो जाए तुम एक में ग्लिटर यूज कर रहे हो, एक में डार्कर कलर. जस्ट मेंटेन थिंग्स on both the eyes, like आप सेम ही चीज यूज कर रहे हो. नेक्स्ट आई एम डूइंग द मस्कारा. एक्सेस मस्कारा को आप बिल्कुल भी स्क्रैच आउट कर दो एंड यूज इट इन लाइट हैंडेडली ऑन योर लैशेस. आई पर्सनली डू नॉट हैव अ ग्रेट आई लैश. ग्रेट क्या, आई लैश ही नहीं है. तो मेरे जो 1 or 2 hairs I have, I'm coating that. And trust me, this falsies lashes from Maybelline, जो भी इसका मस्कारा है, this is one of the best mascaras I ever got. But the problem is that this one is not waterproof. So every time I remove my mascara, एक दो तो मेरा lashes वही के वही गिर जाते हैं. Now I'm trying to do a transition for the last step, which is lipstick, and it is my most favorite step right there. So first I'll be lining my lips with the Lakme Party Mauve. The shade name is 14 Party Mauve, and here is one trick to get that pouty looking lip lined. You know, the fuller filler wala jo bhi lips we see these days, कैसे आप कर सकते हो वो उसका मैं ट्रिक दिखाती हूँ. So you take the, so I have decided that I'll be going with the pink one to match with my eye also. So I have lined it with a pink shade. Then I'll be taking this balm, lip balm. So मैं Lineage का इधर lip balm use कर रही हूँ. This is one of my favorite lip balm there, and I will be just gently rubbing it out ताकि एक ombre kind of effect आए. So that's the same thing I am following. Then what I'll be doing is that I'll be taking my eyeshadow brush, correct? You know, that pointed buffed eyeshadow brush जो भी है, उसको लेके you will be just drawing your line. ठीक है, आप एजेस को अच्छे से ड्रॉ करो, उतना ही ओवरलाइन करो जितना तुमको पसंद है. नाउ आई एम हाइडिंग हेयर बिकॉज अब completely zoned out, वो अलग बात है. But what I'm trying is I'm just blurring out the edges. Okay, this is how you get that fuller look. Next, I'm moving to my favorite pink lipstick ever. Okay, this is from MAC Cosmetics. This is their Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color. in the shade called More the Meherer. This is the shade, and I am just filling my lips inside. This will give you that perfect ombre look. And तुम इधर brown shadow भी use कर सकते हो as per your wish. That will give a more denser ombre. But concentrating on the eyes, I thought this one will look good, so I went for this. And this is how you need to dab a little bit so that you can get a proper blend, and वो transition जो भी है वो proper सा बन जाए. So this is how you complete the whole look. And yeah, then I chose this small stars, green stars. I really love them. This one is from Jewelry Pearls. I remember because मैंने इसके ऊपर वीडियो भी कर रखी है. This is one of the beautiful the jewelry set I have. तो मैं इसको बहुत यूज पहनती भी हूँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद भी है. So I'm wearing this this Varanasi kurta set right there. So मुझे ये पसंद है. और at the end of the transition, I was feeling like I look like more like a South Indian proper जो girl है. I don't know, I was feeling the same. But yeah, this is how I look, and now I will film the whole transition right there. So मैं जोन आउट तो इतना ही हो चुकी हूँ इस टाइम के बाद कि मैंने इसका कोई भी आउट्रो नहीं लिया. That's why I'm doing this voice over. So that's the final look now. Already you have seen my transition video. If not, go and check out. So I achieved this look using all the existing products I had, but in the upcoming videos you will be seeing me try new launches. I love you all so very much. Bye.